Have you ever felt like you just want to start over? Your body maybe has gone through so much and you don't move like you used to move. Your mind is traumatized. You have been heartbroken and you feel so forgotten. I want to tell you today that you are not alone. You are not alone out there.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
You are not seeing this video by accident. You are seeing this video because God wants you to see it. The reason being, you and I are in this season where we don't have a choice but to trust God. Why? Because God is about to bless us in ways that even our enemies are not ready. We are about to experience the love of God. I am telling you, yes, God is about to do amazing things in our lives. I went through something that changed my life completely. I suffered a stroke 2 days after C-section, and that broke me dearly. Physically, mentally, spiritually, I was broken. I didn't know how I was going to be able to make it through. Even as I speak to you right now, this is, for me, it's like a second chance at life. And I didn't understand the why. Right now, I do understand that God was actually preparing me to use my voice to help someone else out there, and that person is you. This space right here is where we're going to rebuild our lives. We are going to heal together. We are going to move together. We are going to cry together. And overall, we are going to grow together. If you're still watching this video, I want to say thank you. This video found you because your healing matters, your strengths matter so much, and God is not done with you. He was not done with me. God was not done with me. So I am here to tell you that God is not done with you. So don't give up. Do not give up. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together. Let's move together. Let's rebuild our lives together. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you and bye.